How to make spicy Asian cucumber salad. If you love cucumbers, or even if you don't, you have to try this Asian cucumber salad recipe. It's quick to make. An addictive combination of refreshing cucumber with a spicy in-your-face dressing balanced with a generous handful of green onion and eschalots. Ingredients. For cucumbers, 20 cm/8 inch, scale up/down for shorter/longer, note 1. 3/4 teaspoon cooking/kosher salt. 1 echalot/French onion, halved then very thinly sliced, U.S. shallot, note 2. 1 cup green onion, green part only finely sliced. 1 large, 2 small stems. 2 tablespoon plus chili crisp, crispy chili oil. Leoganma is my fave, note 3. 2 teaspoons white seam seeds, toasted, save some for topping. Dressing. 1½ tablespoons rice vinegar, sub any clear vinegar. 2 teaspoons soy sauce, all-purpose or light, note 4. 2 teaspoons sesame oil, toasted, i.e. brown, not yellow. Instructions. 1. Smashing. Hit the cucumber with a meat mallet, rolling pin, hammer, or similar and relish in the stress relief or simply enjoy the fun factor. Hit hard enough to make them split open down the sides, but not so hard you squish them into mush. 2. Cut the cucumber lengthwise down the middle then into 2.4 cm/1 pieces. 3. Salt 30 minutes. Put them in a bowl then toss with salt. Leave for 30 minutes. The salt will draw out water from the cucumbers which dilutes flavor when you eat them. It also seasons the cucumbers all the way though. We're only using 3/4 teaspoon salt here, and you'll be surprised how effective this is for the amount of cucumber we're using. 4. Drain and discard the cucumber water from the bowl, too salty to reuse for another purpose. Use a colander if you want to be thorough, else just drain it out of the bowl, using your hand to hold the cucumbers in. 5. Dressing. Whisk the soy sauce, sesame oil, and vinegar in a bowl until it combines properly. You'll know because it becomes murky and thicker, rather than clear and split. 6. Dress. Add green onion, eschalots, sesame, and dressing in a bowl. 7. Chili crisp. Add 2 tablespoons of chili crisp, or more if you dare. You want to get amount of the crispy chili. It will be well soaked with the red chili oil that colors the salad. You can always add more after you toss. Taste and add. Taste and add. 8. Toss well until the eschalots become floppy. Then pile up high into a shallow bowl and serve. Recipe notes. 1. Cucumbers. I use 4 of what we call Lebanese cucumbers here in Australia. The equivalent is Persian in the US, though usually slightly smaller. Or 2 longer English/telegraph cucumbers which are around 30 centimeters per 1 foot long. 2. Echalot/French onion, called shallots in the US, not as hash onion Y as regular onions and more delicate so they flop and meld better. Sub with 1/s small red onion sliced extra finely. 3. Chili crisp. Leoganma is the worldwide favorite, sold in large grocery stores as well as Asian stores. It's actually not that spicy, it's more about the crunchy chili and salty/sweet flavor. 4. Soy sauce. All-purpose or light soy. Not dark, too intense, or sweet, too sweet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.